Welcome. So this is a quick giveaway scam alert. So as you can see, these things have been going on more frequently recently again. And as you can see, so they just used some old video footage of Fred Garlinghouse and Discus Pompeano, and they advertise a website, and they promise you if you send an amount of X, you get twice the amount back. And this is a scam. So again, please don't ever send money away. These doublers, these are well-known giveaway scams. If you send XRP to the address, then your XRP will be gone, and the chances are quite low that it will be possible to get them back. So I'm here warning you. So you can see if you're on a website, it's all the same. So they even have a live chat here to convince you that, yep, you will get your money and stuff like that. It's horrible. And you can see here that they tell you some stuff. They give you the address where you should send amount X, and they want to give you amount 2X, so twice the amount back. And if we have a quick look at the address they are showing here, then you can see that already lots of people have fallen for the scam. So this is quite unfortunate. You can see here, this has been going on. So the first thing was 3 days ago, 2 days ago, 1 day ago, and quite large amounts. So you can see here the people lost 3,000 XRP, some lost 15,000 XRP, and yes, so big warning, please don't send XRP to an unknown address. Transactions on the XRP ledger are finalized and cannot be undone. It means that the other party must send it back to you, but they won't do that. So these are scams. And like I said, so the most important part, please don't fall for these scams. So you will lose your XRP otherwise. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.